A dBASE form file contains visual interface designs for database applications, the screens and input fields that users interact with. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, edit, or migrate these database form definitions. Pro tip: for WFM files that won't cooperate, you need a dedicated magic solution. I'll share my secret weapon program once we've exhausted all 3 troubleshooting steps. WFM files are visual form definition files for dBASE database applications storing user interface layouts, including controls, data bindings, event handlers, and property settings. They define the graphical front end for dBASE database-driven applications on Windows. dBASE WFM files use a proprietary text-based format containing form object definitions with properties like position size, font, and data source bindings. They reference JFM compiled counterparts and support event-driven programming through embedded dBASE plus scripting code. For full compatibility with WFM, use the proprietary dBASE developed by dBASE LLC. Windows cannot validate changes to the file structure, demanding dedicated software for integrity. Windows shows the artwork, but not its editable components. Open the menu by right-clicking your WFM file and choosing Open With. Test dBASE if it's there. If it's absent, select another application. Different apps handle the WFM file differently. If you are still having trouble opening the WFM file, do not worry. Every failure has a cause. Here are the common technical reasons why your system is failing to correctly parse the WFM format. First, opening the file. Install dBASE Plus from dbase.com and open the WFM file via File, then Open. The Form Designer will display the visual layout with all controls and properties. You can switch between Design View and Source Code View to edit form logic and appearance. Next, editing form properties. In dBASE plus Form Designer, click on any control to view its properties in the Inspector panel. Modify data source bindings, control positions, fonts, and event handlers. Save changes and run the form by pressing F5 to test the database application interface. Finally, migrating to modern platforms. Open the WFM file in a text editor to examine the form structure and extract SQL queries and business logic. Recreate the database form in a modern framework such as .NET Windows Forms or a web-based interface using the extracted logic as a development reference. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.